Cardiac arrest happens when the heart suddenly stops pumping blood, cutting oxygen supply to the brain and body. Without blood circulation, the brain and vital organs quickly lose oxygen, causing irreversible damage within just a few minutes. Chest compressions squeeze the heart, manually pumping blood to the brain and vital organs until normal circulation can return. Each compression pushes blood forward, while chest recoil allows the heart to refill before the next compression begins.
Rescue breaths fill the lungs with oxygen, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach the heart and support vital organs.
Continuous CPR delivers oxyblood to the brain. This helps reduce damage until advanced medical care becomes available. An AED can restore a normal heart rhythm by delivering a controlled shock when a shockable rhythm is detected. Successful CPR and early defibrillation can restore circulation, allowing oxygen-rich blood to reach vital organs once again.
Begin CPR immediately if a person is unresponsive and not breathing normally, while emergency medical help is being called.
CPR maintains blood flow, while an AED can restore a normal heart rhythm during certain cardiac arrest emergencies. High-quality CPR requires firm chest compressions with complete recoil to maximize blood flow until professional medical care arrives. CPR maintains blood circulation, but some cardiac arrests require defibrillation and advanced medical care to restore a heartbeat. Early CPR and rapid defibrillation greatly improve survival by restoring blood circulation before permanent damage to vital organs occurs. CPR can save lives during cardiac arrest, but certified training and immediate emergency medical care remain absolutely essential.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to MedWise for realistic 3D medical animations and evidence-based health education every week.